Let me know in the chat. Pachinko with a 10x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Twitters, betting time is all yours, everybody! Final seconds. Woo! Excellency, who are you? Who even are you? Best or close? Not in a bad way, like, who are you? I can't guess. I have a feeling that we've met before for some reason. Why is she so happy? Because she had too much coffee today. 5 times crazy time, good luck. She had too much coffee today. Speaking of crazy time, 5x top slot on it, guys. Woo! Whew, carefully this time. Hey, yo! 5x top slot, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Well, Excellency, you're right about it this time. You are right, man. All right, 5 times more than the default. There we go again. There we go again. All right, decision time's all yours. Choose a flapper you want to go for. Green, blue, or yellow. Where do you think the highest multiplier is going to land? And there we go again. 500! Let's go! Woo! Yes, queen! Good luck, guys. And there we go again. Woo! Double. Who? Double what? Imagine if we're actually landing on 1,000. At 1,000x. Waka, what? We're getting it, right? I really hope so. Let's go! Oh my days, I wish every single girl to have a boyfriend like Excellency, if that's a man. Being called a queen every 5 minutes. Bellissima. Double. Another double, everybody. Oh my. Close your ears, because I'm gonna be yelling loud if we're gonna get that 2,000. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,132,331 euros.
50, 125, and 300. That's how the things are being done. Oh, 7,083 winners. There we go. You're inviting me to Morocco. When? Bets are closed.
Close. Okay, place your bets if you want to participate in the next round. You are gorgeous. Well, thank you for the compliment. That is so sweet. Let's hope to open the red door. The red door. Red door for the crazy time. Come on, give me crazy time, please. Please. Yes! We got the crazy time, a 3x top slot. Follow me. Well, welcome to the world's biggest wheel in crazy time. All right, it is your decision time. Pick a flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Most of you are choosing the blue flapper, by the way. Highest multiplier is 300x. Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued 83,659 euros.
For yellow, 75x for green, 300x for the blue. Oh, welcome back from the crazy time. 300x for the blue flapper. Oh my. So exciting! I'm sad about it, but there's something to be happy. I mean, still don't have my bachelor degree, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy because, you know, studying, it's like, oh my goodness. I'm like done with it. Good luck, everybody. Right now, I have a Pachinko with a 3x offset on top. What about you guys? Are you studying right now? Or maybe just working? Let me know in the chat. Let's hear. Pachinko with 3x offset on top, and I guess we're about to catch it. Woo! Well, ladies and gentlemen, indeed, what a nice Pachinko, and that's our first Pachinko on my session. And with 3x offset on top, what could be better? Woo! Highest multiplier would be awesome. Alright, guys. Thank you, B-Rad. Well, are you ready, guys? Feel free to join. 5x. Wait a second. If there's a 5, so lowest one is 50? Wow. Alright, guys. You know what? Look there. Look at that. I'm going up. Oh, it's too long. So, our highest multiplier is 105x. Let's do it. Let's shine together, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 55,521 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go for nice players, nice wins. 1,100 winners. Well, well. I love you too, guys. Yeah! You deserve it, okay? All of you, enjoy your wins. Welcome newcomers to Crazy Time. Place your bets. Don't forget about the autoplay option. Alright, number 10. First number 10 of the session as well. My favorite number, by the way. On Pachinko from the top. Isabella, my dear. Yes, player. Tell me. What is it? Come on, please slow down. Please slow down for the Pachinko. Please, please, come. Come on. Yes, we got the Pachinko. Woohoo! With that 3x top slot as well. Good to see, good to see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What do we got? 2x is the lowest multiplier. 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20. 50 is the highest. Times 3 is going to be the 150x, the highest multiplier possible. Okay. We start right here. Good luck. Okay, 150, please. Please, please, please.
This is the amount of money issued 103,628 euros.
1,433 winner. Woohoo! Yes! Thank goodness, we got the highest multiplier. Nice. I love you, Pachinko. I love you. Everyone makes sense. I'm happy it says great time for us.
Yeah, I exactly answered the question already.
Like I said, I've already seen a 50x top slot on Crazy Time before in one of my sessions. I've never even seen a Ferrari before, so I'm gonna pick the Ferrari. Pachinko with a 5x for this round. And he would do the same. I'm telling you right now as well. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo, everyone. Finally, Pachinko. And it's with the 5x. Now that is beautiful. Alright, so welcome again, everyone. Starting off with a 2x multiplier. Going on to 7, 10, 15, 20, 50, 200, and let's times everything by 5. That is beautiful. Let's go up. Okay, so the highest multiplier right now is... Woo! 1,000! Let's go. Near the middle. Is that near the middle? Not really. Yeah, let's go down. Let's see where the 1,000 is.
This is the amount of money issued 77,940 euros.
For this round, so let's go back again, everyone. Okay, welcome back. That is amazing. Topness are better Tata and shift to the 250x. So place the bets, everyone. I hope you enjoy your 1 to 50 scale Ferrari. Fine by me. I can't drive anyways, so it would be just as useful to me.
Little blue eyes like flowers. Good luck, everybody. What about you, Jane? What's your favorite flower? Let me know in the chat. Pachinko with a 10x offset on top. Last time we were experienced Pachinko with a 3x offset on top. Can we go for a Pachinko with 10x offset on top? Please, Pachinko, please don't betray us. We need you so badly. I mean, if we're catching Pachinko, we must catch Pachinko with high top slots. And we did it. I mean, our second Pachinko, first one was with 3x top slot. Right now, we have a 10x top slot right there. So, woo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to heaven. OMG. You see, we just started to talk about my favorite flowers. All right. Let's take a look at our highest. Let's go up and now we're down. So we have a 10x top slot on top. And so on. Our highest multiplier is 250x. Seriously? Okay, it is what it is. At least we had a high top slot. There's a low multis. Alright, guys. Last time we received 105x.
This is the amount of money issued 163,539 euros.
Twice catch Pachinko and twice land on the highest win. Yes, 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 guys. I love it. Woo! Never lucky enough. Okay, remember when I told you let's be like in a heaven? Well,
What are Alan Moy and Richie? So well done to you, of course, making decisions. What was the top slot for the 3,500? I think it was 7x. That's, I think, what one of the players said earlier. Yeah, 7x, I think it is, for the top slot, for the big win. Cash hunt now with a 15x top slot. Woo, okay. Cash hunt. I'm scared. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I'm scared to know if we're going to get it or not. Oh, right. We got it. Cash hunt to 15x. Gotta double check that. Wow. Okay, that's really good. Let's go. Okay, welcome to Cash Hunt. This is going to be amazing. I can already, like, see. Okay, so the highest multiplier right now, we have so many 100s. Ah, that's so good. Let's times everything by 15. This is so good. There's so many 100s in there. So right now the highest multiplier is 1,500. Let's shuffle the multipliers, everyone. Wonderful, I know, right? So the multipliers are getting shuffled. I hope you're ready to choose, to pick. And the shuffling is done. So place your bets now, everyone. You can also use auto pick as well if you're scared to choose by yourself. Okay, you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's reveal.
This is the amount of money issued, 142,836 euros.
Let's go back to the wheel. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm seeing a couple of people actually got the biggest win. 8 and Sky and 659 got the 1,500. So place your bets again if you would like.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.